Good morning, everyone. Myself Chinu Thakur, and welcome to Saurabh Sir classes. So, in this sessions, we are going to discuss about the colleges of West Bengal. So, today in my class, we are discuss the top 10 college of engineering. Yes, and these colleges really renowned in West Bengal. ये सारे colleges admissions किस बेस पर देते हैं, why these are important and why these are popular, तो ये सारा discussion करने वाले हैं आज हम इन classes में. So let's begin with the list of the college and the top 10 engineering colleges in West Bengal. West Bengal is a home to some of India's top engineering college. Yes, because it's offering world-class educations. And also they have provided so many opportunities for aspiring engineers. These are the prestigious Indian Institute of Technology with leading state university, and these institutions produce highly skilled graduates sought after by top employers. So let's discuss our first colleges. Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur. I don't think there is someone who didn't heard about Kharagpur. रुड़की खड़गपुर अहमदाबाद तो बहुत लंबी लिस्ट है आईआईटीज की, बट खड़गपुर आईआईटीज इज समथिंग एल्स. बहुत ज्यादा टॉप मोस्ट है एंड दिस इज द ओल्डेस्ट एंड लार्जेस्ट ऑफ द आईआईटी सिस्टम that is known for its best and academic excellence. Admissions are highly competitive, which is based on the JEE examination, joint entrance examinations, and some more advanced examinations as well. The process, top-notch faculty, world-class infrastructure, strong industry connection, and vibrant campus. If I talk about the placement, so I don't think there is some issue with the placement because they have a strong connection with the placements. Okay. Now, number two is Jadavpur University. Jadavpur University is really famous academia. Yes, it's of a wide range of engineering programs, including computer science, electronic, and mechanical engineering. Research is really famous in this institute because it has a strong research culture and state of the art of laboratories. Admission is just based on the examinations. Yes, and those examinations really important. West Bengal Joint Entrance Examinations, that is WBJEE. Or if you want to prepare for this examination, you can also contact with Saurabh Sir classes. Okay. Next college is Indian Institute of Engineering, Science and Technology, that is Shibpur. Shibpur is in West Bengal and this is really famous college. It is, I would say it is really old also because it has a rich history which is founded in 1856. It's really old, yes. And formerly known as Bengal Engineering and Science University, but now it's renowned by the Indian Institute of Engineering, Science and Technology. They have renowned for its excellence in every field of engineering, whether it's civil, mechanical, and electrical engineering. Campus is really very big, as you can see the picture also. It, along with the bank of the Hooghly River, which provide a picturesque settings. Yes. Next college is NIT Durgapur, National Institute of Technology. It's very reputative, guys. It's known for its strong industry connections and research focus. They have all kind of laboratories and those are really well equipped. A cutting edge research facilities and vibrant campus life. Even the teachers are really efficient. And the placements background is really nice because they have constantly highly placements rates and the students securing lucrative job offers every annum. Next is Institute of Engineering and Management, that is in West Bengal. Academics, they offer engineering programs including computer science, electrical and civil engineering. Industry linkage, yes, they have strong industry partnerships so that they can provide a very good internship opportunities for all their students. If we talk about the campus life, so yes, they have various clubs, sports facilities, and multi amenities. Yes, so they can provide you a cultural touch also. Next college is Heritage Institute of Technology. Location is again Kolkata, West Bengal. They provide all the related programs which is connected with the engineering, that is BTech, MTech, MBA, MCA. Admission is based on JEE Main, WGE and other entrance tests. Placements, they have excellent placement records with the topmost companies. Next one is Narula Institute of Technology, NIT Narula. They offers BTech, MTech and MBA programs and all the important engineering disciplines. Research, yes, they have maintained a strong focus on research and innovations with well-equipped labs. They have also a very strong background with the placements. Yes, they provide a very good placements to their students and connected with the topmost companies and MNCs as well. The last but not the least is Maulana Abul Kalam Azad University of Technology. They have also a very good campus and modern infrastructure with facilities. They have well equipped laboratory also. The research facilities are very supportive. They are very well educated also. They have the strong subject knowledge. Student life is also vibrant with almost all the events and cultural activities. So these are all about the topmost colleges of engineering, and in next video we'll meet soon with some important top medical colleges as well. So जुड़े रहिए चैनल के साथ because we have lots of information. So in next video we'll meet soon with some important informations as well. Bye bye and take care.